Hey guys, how to create realistic portraits with DALL-E. So first of all, go ahead to your browser and just type DALL-E. And then go ahead to the official website, OpenAI. And then what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead and start creating a new one, right? So I'm going to click create, right? And then I'm going to describe, let's say, for example, and be as detailed as possible, right? Cat sitting on porch, on a porch, right? With, excuse me for that, porch with young lady on its lap. No, not like this. With a young lady, let's say, right? If you want to enhance the prompt, you can just go ahead and click the options to enhance your prompt. And you can see, of course, the custom settings. And you can generate the image based off like portrait or general anime style or vibrant fantasy. So for the sake of this video, we're gonna use this photorealistic portrait, and as you can see right here, they automatically changed my prompt. So if you don't like it, you could just go ahead and delete it and make one on your own. This is an example. So for the sake of this video, I'm gonna keep it. Tall young women walking down the high street, detailed clothing, realistic, natural lighting, right? So I'm gonna scroll a little bit down. And as you can see, right, if you want to add image to image, style preferences, whatever that might be, go ahead and take your time, right? And you can go ahead and click the number of images. If you want to generate 3, 4, or even 1, you could just do that and hit create, and you're gonna see the final result right here. So as you can see right here, I've already generated it before, so you're gonna be able to see the final result like this, right? So if you like what you see, you can go ahead and click the photo and then save or share it, right? You can go ahead right here and see next to the delete button, next to the trash, you can save it to your device. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.